You like her eyes. What will you give me for this lady?
For shame, sir!
It's his business.
How much?
You insult the lady.
The lady and I grow weary of one another and would part.
You will pay for this!
No, but I will be paid for you. This lady is for sale to the highest bidder. She if she can raise a fine.
You shall be caned for this. Take the lady home with you.
Come, sir, give me 40 shillings and this lady shall go home with you.
More than she's worth, that bitch.
I'll take her. I'll take her.
Have her then. I drink to you both.
Like baptism, you shall never be free from this